quickly set Lash at home with ease.
It's the same brand. Okay. It's the same brand, ne? Le iyabamba, but iyababa. Le is for bondings. Ayibambi. You know what? I'm gonna use this one, Shem. I'm gonna use this one. I'm like, Yazi, what's boring, ne? Even what's even boring? What's more boring about this one, ne? About this one is that even when you are showering, like steam is nani. I remember I went to so I bought these, I can't remember, for 30 rands. They are 10 millimeter. I bought them at my special store. At my special store. I couldn't find these, then I got another one. Imagine. Let's hope they stick, Shem. Can't remember what I was saying. What's going on? Oh, I was saying, I remember I went to swim this other day. If I get my lashes warm with this one. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna a swimming pool. Did I not cry real tears after that? Yakala. Yakala. Let's see if it works. Yuck. Let's see if it stays. But with care so that I don't know, as poem, I don't know. But what I love about this is that you can fire them again. Hey, I need a vanity table. Is it a vanity? Yeah, I need one because I'm struggling. I'm really struggling here with my table. In combo my flames, Shem. Because I bought this one. I'm using Lana. Ngithengele for doing makeup, like what I'm doing right now, ne? But now my things end up zihleli kona lana sezigcwele, you know. So I need, and then there was another one. It was in my little sister's room. My tata Nizanayola in my room because she left, yabo. So I took it, ngayifaka la erumini lami ukuthi ngizosebenzela kuyo. Now seyigcwele izinto. Oh God, shame. So I need a vanity table, but I think my room is full now. I was watching a big up, but you know. But I do feel like my room is full now. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here, and I hope you can see the difference because I can. What I love about these lashes, these bigger ones instead of those smaller ones, is that you can literally put like 5 and then you grind. Is this my 4th or my 5th? Somewhere there. See, we're done with this one. Yo, I saw this video on TikTok. Oh my god, that girl is so funny. She was explaining ukuthi amantombazana, like what they say ukuthi when you get married you need to have married friends. So umngani wakhe was getting married, and then they were preparing ukuthi okay fine uzolotsholwa nani. So there's a group chat. They were discussing fabrics, like, you know, she said ukuthi yini lobola squad. Lobola squad. Yo, I love the way she told that story. It was funny, it was short. It was hilarious. I think I listened to that story twice, and I told my mom, it was funny. It was fun. So she's saying umngani was getting married, and then probably she wanted married friends, you know, and they are not married. Yena nomunye girl baba 3, yena nomunye girl, and then girl baba Kapa, the one getting married, baba Kapa. What's hi? No, actually she didn't say anything. And then there was a group chat la baba corner, and then ugeli what's he no asimin gancane about this whole lobola thing, because I'm still fixing some stuff. I hope you can see me. Okay, let's take a pause because I'm still fixing izinto nani. Fine, they took a pause. Hibo chiki it days passed. Now this other day, the other one abamkape naye lo girl who was telling the story calls that girl uthi, hey, vula ama status when ubheke ukuthi what's going on. Kanti the friend that was supposed to get married uyalotsholwa, and njengoba lotsholwa so akabainvitanga, akabatshelanga, but they were in that group chat. Apparently there was another group chat that was created for, I think, the married friends. Oh yeah, and she was laughing so nicely. I laughed so much. I don't know what Kamala Kuban and Tombazana there on TikTok was telling the story. I don't know what her name is. I didn't see it. But it was hilarious. Hilarious. Bengikhuluma kakhulu actually, bheka manje le close iyawoma la yazi ngami. And like the same poreg I have when I didn't find my tweezer. I couldn't find my tweezer. Hi boo. done. Ngizobona ngawekuseni if they decided to fall off what, but if not, okay. I think I'm gonna wait for the glue on my eyes to dry, and then ngizabona ukuthi what time do I sleep. But I think I need to do my work. But yeah, I'll choose my eyebrows later. And then do my makeup in the morning. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends to tell their friends to please subscribe and like and watch the videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.